welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be cooking. Just before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe and turn the notification bell on down there. And if you want to go over to my channel, just click the link right here. And this will be a list of all our Instagrams in between my names. Thank you.
I'm Tara.
I'm Jasmine.
I'm Alana.
I'm Amy. I'm Michaela.
I'm Gemma.
I'm Emily.
And I'm Sophie. Okay, so we're making something today. First we're going to make chocolate cookies. What's 150 times 3?
Times 3.
700. Wait.
Alright, so we need 450 of this. Who wants to do that?
Not me. I will.
I cut my finger off today, guys.
1, 2, 3.
And we need both sugars.
50.
Plus the sugar.
Come on, what are you doing? Sorry to all the vegans out there. Can I try that? I want to taste that.
How many eggs, Sophie?
Honey bread, yeah.
How many eggs? 3.
So I got
Do I put them in there?
Where?
How many? 3.
No, actually, no, but like, do I put them in now? Cut it like that.
Oh wait.
No. That's a lot of butter.
Tara, newsflash, making 51 again. Cut my fringe and now I look like a 9-year-old boy.
9-year-old boy. I don't say boy with fringe. Just nice and feel.
Guys, I would love if that gets cut out.
Yes,
It's different. In our video, we have a lot of twins going on.
Twins?
That's right. Yeah.
Oh, that's
Yeah. I'm gonna say it again in case it cuts out. I cut my finger today.
She's gonna cut that out too if you don't stop.
Oh. Yes, mum.
Sorry.
And I cut my hair and got glasses. Do we need brown sugar and gold sugar?
Yeah. What the heck?
Everyone start. I say you sexy, you fine. I really wanna make you mine. I say you sexy.
You're fine.
Hey, let me play. Oh, and the reason we're cooking this, well, baking, because Taria, is on supper today at church.
And also,
For our
Fellowship.
prison fellowship.
What's prison?
Prison. Yes,
Yes.
prison fellowship.
and so as we were saying, we're making a cookies for prison fellowship for people in prison for Easter, so we can tell them about God.
But being like Jesus.
So we're making the crosses.
No! That's awesome.
They did
You're
like
not
no
in
with
praying,
them
Gemma.
for a Bible or something.
So I'm Michaela. Nice to meet you. I'm like camera shy and I don't want to be famous, so
I
Sophie's
wanna be
gonna cut
famous.
this out.
Take a teaspoon, but I don't think we have.
Use this. Yeah.
Wow, that was a really good egg cracker. Yep, chocolate all in your teeth, mate. How do I make it focus?
Turn it. No, it doesn't auto focus.
Why?
Oh, there's not enough.
Why?
Why do you want to show that?
Okay, move. At Youth on Friday night, we did mac and churros.
That's actually rice casseroles because I use full rice.
Hashtag rice for top, God's good.
Thanks.
We should do an egg face mask. Oh, I'm so shocked.
Anyway, what happens?
And then I think I'll insert a photo. Insert a photo here. You better insert a photo. Do you know how to do that?
Yeah. 3/4. It's for 1, but we need those 3 more times.
3/4.
This looks really cool.
3 cups.
What are you eating now?
Oh,
Man, we don't
Do I
have
have to pour this time out?
Why these mouths? They're meant to get chopped chips. Not do I'll have them.
Yeah, I'll pay you.
Come here.
I'm coming with you.
Are you ready now?
No, I'm about to have my lunch.
Stop. Eat and drive.
Someone else go?
I'll go.
I'll go.
I'll go.
You can drive.
Jess, are you driving?
It's literally on the
Oh yeah, Emily can drive.
Shotgun going.
Shotgun's going. Shotgun's going.
Okay, someone else has to cook.
I'll send you. No, it was Wars.
No, me and Jim are gonna vlog where you guys do something else.
I'll be back doing me. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like a someone. Whoa.
How many do you have to do?
I have my teeth clean.
Right now, we need them now. Hurry up!
Oh, they're going. What?
Alright, let's go.
This video is brought to you by Jet Iced Coffee, Caramel Latte Flavor, BB Bounce.
Fly one now and have a chance at one
You didn't
red
give it to
in your
me.
hand.
Fine, y'all better go do it. Jacob, go say it.
This is my toast with butter and salt. Salt? That's disgusting.
Interesting.
On use those little arms.
They got muscles in it, alright?
Someone get me the order.
Wait.
In the pantry.
That's
Use the other one, man.
How many things are there?
We have to see if I can go mouse
Ew, I have gum.
This video is gonna be so like messed up.
Mark, is this?
I'm not gonna. Yes, it's recording. Do you want to trick?
Still together after the month ago on your first girl.
Did anyone see that? Wait, let's do that trick. Touching them, make sure their hands and they don't wash them. That's really big.
Yeah, but a bit small. But also,
Oh yeah, boys.
don't they have to be, or do they like go
Right.
So what happens when they go into the oven? They like,
You're meant to push it down like that.
No, you're not.
Hi.
Can you get a sick meeting all day?
Yeah.
yeah, judge it,
You get salmonella.
Salmonella.
That's
Can you pass me that?
Well, what comes out of the chicken's butt? And then
Pass it up.
fun facts with Michaela. Woo! So, do you guys know that your hair is dead? I don't know. Your hair is dead and your nails are dead. It's only the follicles that are alive.
Alright,
Why are they?
Does your nana grow these in her backyard or something?
Really? It tastes so good for a backyard.
Tell her to hit me up. I want her grapes.
No way.
You can take these.
What is this? You got the whole. Why you so tasty? Yeah, hold it.
Shake her. Get your mitts into this.
No.
Let's go back.
Betty cried with me. That's big, isn't it?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be eating some gogi mangsa. It's hard to swallow.
Stop, you're gonna make me vomit.
Shout out to Daniel.
I wanna try this, ready? Does it work?
More money, I want your money. I want more money, I want your money. More money, I want your money.
It's so clear. What is it?
What'd you next?
Lean with it, add with it, hit them folk, now add with it. Then you stop, you hit that Molly bomb with it.
One word.
Hit that Molly bomb.
Yeah. Well, that's London. That shit back. How you look so perfect on your worst days.
And everyone freeze in 3, 2, 1, and freeze. And go.
Why do it now so quick? This is gonna.
Thank you for watching, everyone.
See you next time.
Yeah.